Hey guys, spent a better part of the day scrapping boards and stuff, and decided to build a audio amplifier. Well, it's a very perplexing audio amplifier. This one is based on a TDA-22 or 28. Hell is it? TDA-2822M, which is their chip. And I'm going by a schematic I found online. And it's built exactly as the circuit in the diagram tells me to build it. Got a variable resistor just to turn the volume down on the speaker, but other than that, it's built the way it should. So here is the circuit that I found online. Now, it's supposed to be a 1 watt amplifier, so I've, no matter what amount of audio I put into this thing, I'm getting absolutely nothing on the output. Not a thing. I've even taken audio from the computer and drive into it and get nothing. So, from what they say below, or from what they say, it says the TDA-2822M is a monolithic integrated circuit in an 8-lead mini DIP package. It is intended for use as a dual audio power amplifier for or in portable cassette players and radios. This is a 1 watt stereo amplifier module kit using a TDA-2822M IC, which is equivalent to a KA2209 IC from Samsung. Apparently it'll run well from 3 to 12 volt DC and work from a battery since the current drain is very low. The input and output are both ground referenced. Maximum output will be obtained with a 12 volt power supply and 8 ohm speaker. However, it is particularly suitable for driving headphones from a supply as low as 3 volts. Well, as she sits there, I'm getting absolutely nothing out of this amp. So I looked a bit further into the amplifier and I came across this little diagram. This is the pinout of that there chip. You notice the inputs and the outputs. The inputs are between 5 and 8. Output is pin 1 and 3. Supply voltage is 2, ground is 4. So on their schematic, they've got pin 1 as an input, pin 3 is an input, pin 2 is 6 volts, and pin 4 is ground. And then their output, they got on the, apparently on the input. Notice this, input, and you got an output. Input, output. Input, output, input, output. So, interesting, wouldn't you say? So what I'm going to do here, I think, is I'm going to just swap around my inputs, put where the speaker is now on the output, I'm going to put the speaker on the input side. I'll put the speaker on one of these positions here. I'll put my input over here and see if this will work. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But as it sits now, it's not working, and it's built exactly as this schematic shows. So, you tell me. The white connector there was supposed to be input. The speaker obviously is output. I got a variable resistor here for to adjust the volume. I got 3 electrolytic capacitors, a couple of resistors. So, I mean, Anyways, let's swap the outputs and inputs around here and see if we can get some audio out of this amplifier, because as it sits now, it's doing absolutely nothing. Interesting. And to make it even worse, this is apparently being sold as a kit. Interesting indeed. Well, I made changes and I tried changed out the input for the input for output. Still never made any difference. Still couldn't get any sound out of the thing. So it's either I have a dud TDA-2822 down here. This far here. 2822M. Yeah, 2822. So it is not even up. Anyways, well, I don't know. I'm going to build an amplifier, a little audio amp for the critter here I built a while ago. About a week ago, I suppose. I just tested on the computer there. She's still working, so it's not this. It's my second attempt at trying to build an audio amp. First one was with a 3904. This one I said, okay, we'll go with an IC, a TDA-2822, and yeah, well, it's still not working. So it's either the circuit as stated, there's something wrong with it. If anybody can see any problem with this circuit, let me know, because I can't get any audio output out of this thing at all. I mean, based on, you know, the diagram for that IC, the inputs and outputs reversed on this, but anyway, who knows. So if anybody sees some kind of a, you know, problem with this, post below, let me know. Anyways, all the best, and we'll chat later.